Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Minoxidil, one of the most popular treatments for hair loss. Whether you're noticing thinning hair or just curious, this evidence-based factsplainer will break down what Minoxidil is, how it works, its effectiveness, and some practical tips, all in under 5 minutes. Let's get started. Minoxidil is a treatment for hair loss, especially for male and female pattern baldness. It started as a blood pressure medication, but was found to promote hair growth as a side effect. Now, it's widely used as a topical solution or foam, and sometimes taken orally under medical supervision. It's available over the counter in 2% and 5% strengths. So, how does it work? Minoxidil widens blood vessels, which may improve blood flow to hair follicles, delivering more nutrients. It also shortens the resting phase of hair growth and extends the growing phase, helping hair grow thicker and longer. Plus, it activates certain enzymes and growth factors in the scalp to support healthy follicles. Now, does it actually work? Studies show it does for many people. For men with crown thinning, 5% minoxidil can increase hair count by about 45% more than the 2% version after 48 weeks. Women with diffuse thinning also see results, with both 2% and 5% boosting hair growth compared to a placebo. You might see results in 8 weeks, but it typically takes 4 to 6 months for the best effects. One catch? You need to keep using it, or the benefits fade. Minoxidil comes in a few forms. Topical solutions or foams are applied to the scalp once or twice daily. The foam is great if you're sensitive to the liquid's ingredients. Oral minoxidil is less common and needs a doctor's guidance, but it's an option for some. Always follow the instructions for whichever you use. What about side effects? Topical minoxidil can cause scalp irritation, itching, or temporary shedding in the first few weeks as your hair adjusts. Some folks notice extra facial or body hair, especially with the 5% strength. These are usually mild, but if they persist, talk to a doctor. Oral minoxidil has more potential side effects, so it's not for everyone and requires professional oversight. Here are some quick tips to get the most out of minoxidil. 1. Apply it to a clean, dry scalp and let it dry for a few hours. 2. Be consistent. Use it daily for at least 4 to 6 months to judge results. 3. Start early. Minoxidil works best for recent hair loss in people under 40. 4. Pair it with other treatments like a healthy diet or stress management for better results. Minoxidil is great for men with crown baldness or women with thinning hair. It's not ideal for sudden hair loss or if you have scalp issues like eczema. Check with a doctor first. Also, higher strengths like 10% aren't proven to work better and may cause more irritation, so stick to 2% or 5%. And that's the scoop on minoxidil. It's a solid, science-backed option for hair loss, but it's not a cure, and results vary. If you're thinking about trying it, have a chat with a healthcare professional to see if it's right for you. Got questions or tips about minoxidil? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more hair care content. See you next time.